Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue working in phonology. Okay, here we go. The page is the page number 12, phonology lesson 2. Okay? Listen for the instructions, writing our words. Okay? Step number 1. Listen and pronounce. Listen and write. Okay, step number 2. Turn book upside down. Okay, and again, listen and write. Okay, here we have the words that you have to write here. But first, you have to listen to the audio. Okay, pay attention and watch out because there is a missing word.
Lesson 2. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Night. Night. Name. Name. 9. 9. Pig. Pig. Nap. Nap. Pad. Pad. Peanut. Peanut. Pot. Pot. Purple. Purple.
Okay, I know that you did a great job. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. Okay? Okay, and remember, a child who sings is a happy child. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.